Sige. No, continue. Sige.
Okay, sorry.
Okay. Brake. Dahan-dahan ng brake. Brake. Shift mo to sa drive.
3D. It's the green one.
Yes, okay. Dahan-dahan ng brake. Ay,
Just
ng
let go of the
accelerator.
I can let go of the brake?
Yes.
Wow.
Dahan-dahan.
Fuck's sake, man.
Huwag mo nang apakan kasi.
I swear, Nick, I keep telling you, it's really sensitive.
So I don't need to press on it na.
You don't have
Yes.
to press it because it's automatic. It does it by itself.
I can ikot na pala na.
Oh my god, lab. Lab.
Wow, ganito pala mag-drive. Nice experience.
Balik doon. Papunta doon. Tapos doon. Diretso mo na. Yes.
Once they are about 90 degrees,
Huwag mo nang
turn left. Okay, turn left na. Good.
Huwag mo nang anaapakan ng accelerator.
Don't,
Nick.
don't press the accelerator on the way there because you might bump them.
Yes.
Okay.
Just prepare your feet sa brake.
Sa brake
Left
na yung
side, left
paa
side.
mo. Yung right.
Left
Right,
pedal,
right,
left
right.
pedal. I turn left,
Yes.
start turning left.
Ayun.
Oh. Okay, brake. Dahan-dahan.